Okay, let's take a look at how do we divide a polynomial by a monomial using long division method. So for that, what you will do is let's set it up first of all in the long division way. So 5t 25t cubed plus 15t squared minus 30t. So like any long division question, you would be doing divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. In polynomials, instead of bringing one term down, we'll bringing the rest of the polynomial down, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So, but the first step is divide. So it will be pretty much dividing the first term of the polynomial by the divisor and finding what we get. So like in this case, if we do 25t cubed divided by 5t, we will get 5t squared, because 5 goes in 25 5 times. This is just exponential division because the bases are same. You subtract the exponents. 3 minus 1 is 2, so you get 5t squared. So that means our first value, or the first term in the quotient, will be 5t squared. Now let's see, try to make it less messy. Okay, we had, I said 5t squared, so now we multiply, that's the next step, multiply 5t by 5t and write the answer here. So we get 25t cubed. And remember, I said the next step will be subtract. So now let's subtract. Subtract 25t cubed minus 25t cubed is 0. Now we're gonna bring rest of the polynomial down. So 15t squared minus 30t. And then the whole process starts all over again. We will again do divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. This time we will be dividing. We will be dividing 15t squared, which is this term right here. You will be dividing 15t squared by 5t. So let's go there. 15t squared divided by 5t. Again, 5 goes in 15 3 times, and t, when you divide t squared by t, you get a single t. So I'm gonna hide that layer, and we're gonna go back to, let's go. So the next term in our quotient will be 3t plus 3t will go there, and then we will multiply 3t again by 5t, will give us 15t squared. Subtract, we will bring negative 30 down because this is just 0, will cancel out, so we get negative 30t. Now again, if we do the first step division, divide negative 30t by 5t, t and t cancels, 5 goes in negative 30 negative 6 times. So this is our next term in the quotient, negative 6. Negative 6 times 5t is negative 30t. So this is the step multiplication. Next step is subtraction. So when I subtract a negative, it switches sign. It becomes a positive term. And again, this will just cancel out and you're left with 0. So what will be your answer? Your answer will be the quotient right here. So it is 5t squared plus 3t minus 6.